Undercover Elite hard truck bed cover on a Ram 2019 Classic with a short bed. This is a nice ABS black hard one-piece cover. It wraps around the entire truck bed, ensuring maximum water protection and security. We have a lockable key here with the key that's separate. So when you lock the cover, no one's gonna open it. You unlock the cover, push up the handle. Now you have access to your truck bed. It's gonna give you instant access to all your tools and luggage. It gives you plenty high clearance there, so you can reach in from the side here, grab your tools, your bags. It's clamped onto the truck bed, which requires no drilling. So it has 4 different spots that it mounts to. If you want to take it off, you can take it off by just turning the knob in the back here, and then it comes off really quick. It has holes right here for the wall mount hardware kit that's included with it, which is this little bag right there. You have a cargo retriever tool so you can grab items that you can't reach, and you have a removable LED light, and then the handle here that you pull down, and then it's gonna wrap around that truck bed. It's gonna lock it up and keep it nice and safe. So if you're in the market for a simple hard black one-piece cover, the Undercover Elite is a great truck bed cover to get.